He has another 52-inch Concord ceiling fan, a white one. Here in my grandma's sunroom now. This one has a light on it. Alright. These are LED lights. I'm gonna start the fan up now. That's low. Sorry, just ignore that. That's the washer. Low. Medium. It does wobble and shake a little bit on medium. Alright, there's medium. Alright. Alright, here's high now. Woo, that feels good. That sure feels good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back off now. Alright, I'll turn this fan off. Alright. Go. Alright guys, again, there y'all go. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any comments again, go ahead and feel free to leave me one. Anyway, once again, have a good day and have a good Father's Day to all fathers. Anyway, until then, that's it.